Isuot ni Paraplane.
I'm just blessed. Because
Classmate!
I'm just blessed so much that God has given me these 50 years of my life. I'm just very thankful that
Ikaw ba na?
anyway,
Ikaw patusong.
salamat. Because I really don't know how to say. Maraming salamat sa lahat na nagpunta. I know na galing pa mo sa iba't ibang layo. Salamat. Isang gana mo sa nagulan. Just to be with me in this special moment of my life. You all touch my heart. And I'm really thankful to all. And I don't know how to say thank you also because it really hindi makabayaran, hindi mababayaran ng say thank you only to all the efforts that my family really, because I really hindi ko talaga alam na ganito pala ang mangyayari sa party. It's all surprise to me. Kaya salamat sa lahat na bumubuo, especially my sisters, Rose, Anna, my niece, Hazel, my cousins, and everybody that helps make this event so special in my heart. Guys, I really don't know, you all touch my heart. Thank you so much, and I'm hoping everybody enjoy my party.